Happy Saturday, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fallah. Thank you, new family members. I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I'm so much better today. So I remember on Tuesday you guys saw a video of the hat that I make, and this is where a lot of it take place. And it's not big yet, but it's a baby step. There's a lot to come more. And then look at all of these clothes right there. Look at underneath here, look at here, look at that. So okay, enough with that. I'm just so excited to show you guys. I remember I mentioned that I'm working on my business website, right? And it's still coming on little by little. So that's actually what I want to say. Plus today is all about the bags. And oops, I dropped one purse. And when it comes to bag, guys, let me actually differentiate this a little bit. We love colors, we love pattern. The most amazing thing about colors is like it actually matches with a lot of stuff. So when it comes to bags, like this, purses like this, okay, like this one. The thing about it goes for anything. All right, it goes for any occasions and it goes for any outfit. There is no like, oh, you have to be African to wear African bag. No, you don't have to be African to wear this. You don't have to be African to wear this one. You really don't. And a lot of these videos, the pictures of those bags will be on my business ID. Oops, sorry. Take a chance or take a time to actually look at it. Look what I'm talking about. So let me get into detail, okay? Let me educate you guys. All right, let me educate you guys, educate me. Now I'm actually educating you. So to me, okay, all of this is based on my own personal experience. People, please, everyone have their own opinion and everyone have their own input. Don't judge me on my own. But on my own input, stuff like this, it don't look. You could wear this with this outfit that I'm wearing right now. See? You could wear this to go to church if you are a Christian. You could wear this to go have a nice classical dinner. You could wear this to do anything except going to kids chicken cheese place. Like they've been busted. What is this chicken cheese? People, you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, but the word where you take the kids and play around, that's the place. I don't think this is for that, but this for family members. You put your diapers, your wipes, your baby stuff. It got room. Look at that. Look, it's literally deep. It got room. It could fit this in here. You could fit this in here. Okay, when you have time, but it got room. So bags like this does not have to be, oh, you have to be African to wear bags like this. It could be white, it could be black, it could be Chinese. Anyone, if you love something, to me, this is my own opinion. If you love something, I know nowadays everything is cultural discrimination. Oh, black people not, or white people no. I feel like we all should have a chance to express everyone or everything in a different way. I'm black doesn't mean I cannot experience a cultural lifestyle in Korea. I did went to Korea. I wore their clothing. I did. I went to Japan. I wore their traditional clothes. To me, I feel like if you want to experience something, if you want to learn something, it's okay to be open-minded to certain stuff. Like we should, I don't So I'm sorry I brought that up. Change of topic. So back to my business. Okay, that's the way I'm here. Back to my business. To me, we should be able to express everything. So those handbags, it takes me time. Look, all of this, it takes me time to put into it. So I really appreciate every single one of you guys that's actually watching my show to support and share and actually help grow, because they said it didn't just come overnight like that. I took off my cast, but yeah, a lot of work is into all of this stuff. So please, people, share my YouTube channel, share my business Instagram. I have my own personal Instagram that I do every little crap to it, but my business Instagram is the main important thing. My business, please help support. Please comment below. Please check out the pictures on my business Instagram as well, the machines and everything. I have another big machine coming up that I order. It should be here in like a week or 2 or 3 from now. I'm not sure. I have to check that. And my business website is actually going on. So I just want to say, please check out my business Instagram. Guys, it's hot. Please, oh thank God. Please check out my business Instagram. And please, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit dap of what goes behind the scene. Just because everything seems to be nice and proper on social media, there's a lot that go behind the scene, and all of this, guys, it's not one day thing. It takes time, it takes sewing literally, and it takes time to make it work. So please appreciate this work and share with family members and share with community and support your girl to grow, because I want this little thing to be this little thing, and it should be that little thing, or I can't grow just by sitting here and talk about it. And to growing meaning you guys have to support and help grow all of this. I created a business GoFundMe, and I kind of put pause on that right now because I'm trying to focus one thing at a time. You cannot just go around focusing on so many different stuff. So let me take step by step, and I hope you guys understand and I appreciate that. Please share my business Instagram. Please share my business thing. And tomorrow I'm going to Escondido for farmers market. I'll be there tomorrow, and I'll post the link somewhere up here. If anyone that's in that area, you want to come and check it out, please feel free and come and check it out. Thank you very much. And like I was saying, it should be everybody's opportunity to wear anything they want. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Be safe, be fashionable. Know that Fallah love you, but she does not love you as much as she loves you.